All right. How do I? Oh, it's that one. Okay. Both working just fine. All right. Ow. And I got my nuts today too. Obviously. Uh, day two of trying to talk very loudly and clearly because apparently I haven't been doing that this entire time. Isn't that crazy? Mm. Oh, it's that one. Okay. So, okay. Both working just fine. What am I using? Alright. Oh, okay. It's whoops. Alright. So I do have some things to do for the game. I'm not gonna do everything. The main thing I do want to do today is to make the map. I don't really have anything in mind. Originally I was going to procedurally generate like an infinite world like Minecraft, but then that just kind of became annoying, and I kind of didn't want to do that. So I decided that maybe make the world smaller, like Terraria. But then I was also too lazy to do that, so I just decided that, it's just better if I just made the map. Just handmade the map. Yeah, that just makes more sense to me. I don't know about you. Whoa, what the hell? Since when did Godot do all that? I don't know, never mind, whatever. But again, I have nothing planned for what this map should look like. I mean, I guess I could just like put down a bunch of trees, but that's hardly calling it map building. I do want to like randomly generate these things on the map. Trees and other stuff, like structures and NPCs. I want to like place them down by hand, but yeah, other than that, uh, I'm not too sure. I don't. I could make it like I could make like a cliff all around and stuff, but I'm not too sure. I don't know. Maybe like an island would be better. Like I said before, this whole thing is just me adding whatever I think is cool. But I don't really have much idea for cool forest. Like all the forests are the same to me. Not that I'm saying that's bad. I like forests, but not much creativity to be had there. Not gonna lie. Maybe that's just me. Okay, definitely make the ground smaller though. This is way too big. And besides, if I want it to be like uh bigger later, I can just do that. It's not really that big of a deal. It's still too big. I'd say half of that. That is still massive. That is still ginormous. Right? Yeah. Half of that. Oops. Yeah, what does that look like? Yeah. Still feels a little too big, but yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Um, but like I said, I don't have any plans. I don't even know what kind of structures I want to put in this place. So, I guess for now, just make some random elevations and stuff to just make it at least a little bit more interesting to traverse. Uh, I want to make it like an open area, like not that restricted. Uh, yeah. Sorry, this is like a lot of yapping and not a whole lot of doing. It's okay though. I can, I will change that. Okay. Uh, put this out a little. Yeah. Okay, I'll not make the collision shape like this yet. I can just generate the collision shape with this one right here, so it's not even. I don't have to like do all that manually. Uh, oh yeah. Also, the player character or none of the entities in this game have gravity yet, so yeah. I have to fix that. Wait, what happens when I do this again? Yeah, it just creates a child for some reason instead of just putting the mesh inside the static body. They just the most annoying, confusing thing ever. Why do they do this? It doesn't make sense to me. Whatever. Uh it's very hard to place down like random cubes around on Godot. I just noticed. On Roblox, I could just do that extremely easy, but here it is definitely not easy. Mm. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Or am I? I don't know. Somebody should make like a plugin for that to just make it easy to like place down a bunch of cubes around the map. But yeah, until then, I guess wait. Wasn't there like each? It was like oh 3D. Can you forest nature pack? Yeah, this pack has like a ton of these ground. Oh, but it's like tiles. Huh. Okay, we could set that up. We could set that up. Huh. We could try that. Grid map. Yes. Mesh library. Add mesh. Load. Wait. Nature pack. Oh, wait. Ah, this is. You need to pay for this. Damn it. Okay, well, I guess we are not doing that. Oh, man, this is not going according to plan. Okay. Alright. Now what? I guess I could model the ground and stuff. I have no idea what to do actually. Hmm. How do people even make map like this? I've always wondered how people like design maps. That's always been a big mystery to me in game development. I know they have like these these prototyping thingies. But how does that work for like giant open world maps? I feel like there's not a whole lot of like tutorials or guides talking about something like that. You know what I'm saying? Mm. Well, I really like browsing these like free models is always fun to me. I'm never gonna use them because like they're very limited in their use, but I do always wonder like what you could do with these, even like one uh free model pack. You know what I'm saying? Cake it uh is always the goat of free models. But anyways, I need to get back on making the game. Okay. How about this? I just give up on making the map and do something else. If it's too hard, then just don't work on it. If just working on something else is still progressing the game development, right? That's the best mindset to have for something like this. Just like figure it out later and for now do something else. I think that's the best mindset for any video game. development, or maybe anything at all. Uh, fix inventory UI. Yeah. So, oh yeah. you know how yesterday I said that the model rotating thingy on the UI, UI, inventory UI was like difficult and all that. It turns out it wasn't all that difficult, and so I did kind of do it off screen. But check this out. Yeah, that looks clean, don't it? That looks very clean. I could stare at this forever, dude. Oh man. Okay. But another problem. Uh, oh no, give me a moment. I need to cut down the string. Okay, yeah. So if you pick up a second word, it doesn't stack. It just kind of goes in another slot, which I mean makes sense because logs are ginormous. It doesn't even make sense that it fits in the pocket at all, let alone in the same place. But I do want to make these stackable, and also you can't like do anything once you put them in your pocket. You can't like take them out or drop them or anything. So I gotta work on that too. And the reason, what the, okay, I need to fix that. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so the reason this says fix inventory UI is that uh yes, so this whole thing only works for just this. So if I wanted to add like an equipment slot, it's not gonna work. So I have to make it more modular, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Also, one other thing I added off screen is this. This is a dialogue system. Yeah. This I didn't make this, by the way. This was a free model I found on the asset store. Yeah, yeah, dialogue manager. That's the one. This seemed to be like pretty advanced, like pretty flexible in what it can do. So, and if it doesn't work for me, then I could just make my own. It's really not that big of a deal. So, yeah, I decided to just try this out. Maybe it might make this a whole lot easier for me. Uh, and it's also like completely free, so that's awesome. Yeah, so like you can like write dialogues in this file. I didn't do it. Uh, but I could. You know what I'm saying? Okay. That aside, inventory. Alright, so I need to make. There is like cat hair all over my face. Oh, yeah. I also have nuts. I forgot about that. I gotta eat my nuts. Mm. Alright. Yes. This. Um. Yeah, this thing. I need to make a script for this. Okay, I said I want to make a script. Why did I open the create no thing? Inventory display. I want to make a script. Okay, and then yeah, contents, inventory UI, inventory display, create. Alright, class name, inventory display. Do you guys think my typing is fast? Let me know if you guys think my typing is fast, because I'm very fast at typing. I have like, shit, I forgot my score on monkey type. uh, okay. Yeah, hold on. Export var. Item slot UI. Packed scene. Where is it? There it is. And then yeah. Export var target, or target, I guess, item inventory. Okay, so now I need to make a setup function. Okay, if you guys aren't, anyone watching isn't here to like, here isn't here for like scripting or whatever, then this is probably really boring. But and like, I wish I could say something a little more entertaining while I do this, but unfortunately, this is the best I can. I'm still new to streaming, you know. So, okay. Item stored. Okay, I need to connect like a ton of events. Item stored, item removing, and item moved or something like that. Alright, wow, I need to do this entire thing. Okay, and then for oh shit, I just spilled my peanuts and nuts all over my desk. Oh, yammers. Alright, item in new. Oh, what the? New dot contents. Item stored. Item stored. Oh, right. I need the location of the things to index or slot int. New contents, slot. Ifs on item is not new. So if there is an item on the slot, then tell it to store it. Oh yeah, right. I need to do stuff for the items. I need to make the item slots. Um, hmm, I'm wondering what to do about if like there is an item in there, and then also it's also tries to like delete it or something. But you know what? Never mind. That's something for me to figure out when the issue happens. That's my biggest weakness. I just like try to look for problems ahead of time a little too much, and I never get anything done. So yeah, need to figure out a way to fix that, or need to fix that. And yeah, this whole uh, I'm 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 trying my best to fix that right now. Okay, that yeah. Okay. Anyways, item store. Can removing. What was it? New item store and item removing. Right, I need to generate the item slots. Should I like delete all of them and then make some, or I'm not too sure. I don't know. Slots array. Uh, control slot. Okay. For now, I don't know. I don't know. It feels like it's a waste of resources to delete and then immediately bring it back. But then again, it's kind of annoying to not do that too. I'm too lazy for this. I'm just deleting all of them. Uh, but if I queue free, then no. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Alright. For item slots or item slot, I guess. Control item slot queue free, and then item slot clear. So that deletes the item slot UIs, and then generate item slot UIs for slot ID in new control content size. The item slot is control, and then just instantiate all of this. Item slot. Wait, instantiate and then add child item slot, and then item slot append item slot. Okay. Nobody on itch or Twitch. I keep saying itch instead of Twitch. Twitch is just so hard to say or pronounce. Is that just me? It's probably just me. Inventory capacity changed void. I'll just do this in a function. This made me realize I still have. I'm gonna have to not delete the entire thing, anyways. Inventory capacity changed. If target isn't now. See, I'm too smart to like catch me making a bug. I just see ahead of time. Okay. See right there? I called that shit. I called that shit. I'm built different. Uh what's I doing here? Alright, telling the UI that I changed. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna make like a to-do. To-do. Make it so that the slots don't get all deleted when capacity changes. Also, I probably should add an underscore to these functions. I'm not gonna explain why, but if you know, you know. It's really nothing necessary, but it's just better. It better. I forgot the word. Habit, I guess, to do it. Okay. So now, if the target player changes, all I gotta do is um inventory display. Okay, I can just delete all this now. And this is the container inventory display. It's the pocket inventory display. Target is inventory. I could just put that in there like this. That's no problem. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, just set that to now. Oh, wait a minute. Set this to now here, like this. Oh, wait, that should work. Alright, created all the slots. Okay, now cut down the tree. Our moment of truth. It works! It works! That's still here, okay. How do I fix that again? Fix that by... Fix that by... fix that by... Focus... Wait. Disabled... Yeah. Set the focus to... Alright, yeah. I fixed that by setting that to disabled. Give me a second. Alright, perfect. It works. Okay. Now what I want to do is, I guess I want to make it so that I can move the stuff around. That's gonna be a little bit tough, but it's nothing I can't do, I think. I hope. How did I do this before? Oh, I did this before. I'm a master at this shit. I've played these games before. Man, I have not got on this game in a while. Holy. Bam. Yeah, you see? Huh. For a second there, I thought the sound was coming from my computer instead of my earphones. That was strange. I didn't really mean to showcase this, but like, look at this. Isn't this clean? Isn't this clean? It is so clean. The best UI work I've ever done for any game. This is so clean. This looks so nice, dude. Oh man. Somebody glaze me. If you don't glaze me, then I'm doing myself. Okay, anyways, yeah. See, I can drag things around. So most definitely I can do it. The question is, how did I do it? Right. Old loads. Mouse manager? Was it UI util? Might be mouse manager. Yeah, ready UI drag. Item. Huh. Inventories. Oh, what the? That is a strange way to. What is this? Mm. I have no idea what is going on. Okay. UI item display. Yes, that's it. Do I use mouse manager? No, I do not use mouse manager in here. Really? What do I use then? Um, this is strange. Icon frame. Inventory. Inventories. Ability slot. No, that's not it. Item display. Key button. What is item ability button? Huh? I have no idea what that is. Um, 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 these are like all the drawings I made for the game. Okay, well, I guess it's a mystery. Okay. Play the model on the item display. Yeah, that's already done. Oh yeah, I just realized I just delete clone the model into the UI, so I don't even have to care about how it gets deleted or anything. That's not something that I need to be worried about. What am I doing, bro? My head's empty. Yeah, that's the stupidest bug flying. Get out! There's nothing for you here. These nuts are mine. Mm. Okay, so how do I do this? Okay, I think it is better to just put that in there. Yeah, I think. Yeah, let's just save this as a scene. Yeah, item display. Yeah. This is going to be texture rect. Yes, that's it. Yeah, yeah. And then so let me finish my nuts. Alright, that's all the nuts gone. Hmm. It's really strange how it just can like stretch wire, however. I don't exactly think that's how that would work. Okay, anyways, I need to make a separate script for this. Item sort button, yes. No, that, let me rename this. Item display. Item slot. Yes. Okay. Item slot is, this node is responsible for detecting inputs, dragging inputs such as dragging, drop, separate, display, stack. Yeah, that's what this node needs to do. Class name item slot. Yeah, I should give a name for this too. Class name item display. Okay. I need to make like a auto load for this. Unfortunately, I don't like making this thing called auto loads. The way to set this up is like, it's not difficult, but it's definitely not easy and simple enough for me to want to do it. Let me show you. So first I need to come up with a name, which will be, I guess, mouse manager is fine. Okay, then now it's created. Now I have to go into project settings, and then globals, and then select script, and then now I have to find that script in here, which is so annoying to me. Why can't I just? I can't exactly like type in the name in here and it will find it. That's not how this works. Unless it is? Maybe I'm really fucking stupid. Mouse manager. No, of course not. What am I talking about? Why would it be like that? That would be too easy. Okay. Yeah, I know that looks simple and that looks very easy, but it's too much work. It's too much work. You know what I wish Godot let me did how Godot handled the outloads, like creation of outloads. Uh, just right click and there's an option in here to like add to outload. That why isn't it like that? I'm complaining. I know I'm complaining. This is a great game engine, by the way. I recommend Godot more than any other game engine. Seriously, it's great. If we want to make like an ultra realistic, a triple A graphic, 3D video game, then Unreal is the only choice. But like anything other than that, Godot is great. It's awesome. I ran out of water. Hopefully I don't have to go get water. Alright, so what was I doing? What did I need to for this? Right, dragging. I forgot how I did dragging before. Um um drag. Ready. How should I do it? Sorry guys. I will figure this out. Don't worry. Ugh. I feel like sneezing, but not enough for me to actually sneeze. This is awful. I'm getting sneeze edged. Alright. Ready? Funk button down. Oh, I'm starting to remember. Okay. Can drag. Should return a boolean, obviously. Return true. Okay, hold on. Func process mouse. How do I get mouse position? Wait, there's no function to get me mouse position. What? Get tree view or get view? What? Viewport, yes. Mouse. Get mouse. Is there no function to like get nodes where the mouse is? Get no control. Yes, that's it. Perfect. If hold on. Wow, this is a lot of work just for me to be able to drag and drop items through from one slot of the inventory to the other. This is a lot of work. I can see how a lot of games, or like a lot of indie games, just kind of cheap out on that area, and not let you do drugs at all. This is just a whole lot of work for something so small. But I feel like it's worth it though. You know what I'm saying? It's just like it's clean and like it's intuitive to be able to just drag an item to another slot. Right? I'm not the only one who thinks that. Right. I need to make another script. Another one. Button. Draggable button. Should I do this though? Hmm. Maybe not. I have no idea. Ah. I could just turn this into a group and that would also work just fine. Nah, this makes more sense. Class name, draggable button. Okay. Funk, abstract, abstract, funk, function. I swear there's something in my nose. I don't know if it's like lint or cat hair, but my nose feels very itchy. Okay, can drag. Boo. Yeah. Uh, get viewport, get control, hover control, uh, target control. If target is draggable button. Uh, target can drag. Var is drag ready. Is drag ready. Can drag target. Draggable button. Dragging. Boo files. Okay. Ah. Um. Drag target is target. That's what I need to do. If drag target is not equal to now, is drag ready can mouse button input mouse button pressed left. I don't know how this should translate into like uh console or gamepads, but I think I don't need to think about that for now. Uh maybe. Okay. Anyways, mouse button pressed, then dragging or dragging is true. But then mouse button pressed. My mind went blank. Holy shit. Dragging to true. Oh wait, whoa. Okay, hold on. All I gotta do is add a setter function if new is not equal to dragging. Make sure it only checks for when it is dragging. And then drag target pick start drag. Okay, wait. I there's something I can do here. For drag target. Yes. Oh yeah, right. I need to set the type, which is going to be more control. Drag target. Dragging object. Which is going to be control. Dot parent to self. Yes. And you know what? Any problem this might cause, I will deal with it later. Just stop trying to foresee the future. You're not going to do that. Just I need more water. Alright. Dragging object parent to self and oh wait no. If new is true, then you need to start dragging, and if it's false, okay, I need to make this a little more clear. True. Why do you always spell true? Dragging object. Drag. This is very complicated. This is gonna take a while before I can actually see if it's working or not. Alright. Just persevere, I guess. Drag target, draggable button. Okay. I'm just going to pass that for now. If dragging object position is get view mouse position. Let's see if this works. Oh. Okay. Oh, right. Yeah. Cut down the tree. Pick up the wood and have a bug. Okay, alright. Of course. Invalid assignment of key target with rigid body. What? Button. Item slot. What do you mean? Ah, right. Target. Target is item, and then you have a setter that just all it does is just set item item display target is new and target is also new. Alright. Pick up word and it doesn't even show up. Fantastic! There's ton of errors. What the? Okay. Battery capacity changed. Path to node invalid. Item hold. What do you mean? Huh? Capacity changed. Path to node is invalid. This is inventory display. Capacity changed. Path to node is invalid. Path to node is invalid. 36. Add child item slot. What do you mean path to node is invalid? I don't understand what that means. Item slot UI instantiate add child. Am I going insane? What does that mean? Path to node is invalid. Path to node is invalid. What path to node? Item display, item hold. Item display. Item hold. Item display, item hold. Item display, item hold. Why is that? How does that have anything to do with the inventory? That's item display thing, no? Item hold. Inventory. Capacity changed. Why does this get called so many times? What? Path to node is invalid. Item display, item hold. What is that? How am I supposed to even debug this? What? But it was working properly, right? Inventory, storage, pocket. Yeah, the item display is right there. This is so weird. Path to node is invalid. The wood does show up. What? Oh, I see. This is an extremely misleading error message. Oh my god. Yeah, it's this. That's what I needed to do. No? No? Seriously? Oh, does it at least show up? No, still doesn't. Item display, item hold. Capacity changed. I mean, I did all I needed to do, no? Why am I did everything right! Why you me? I'm confused. Why? Why? Mm. Okay. Oh. Okay. That is severely upsetting. That upsets me very much. And that error message is way too misleading. That's crazy. I'm upset. I'm upset. What the hell, man? Yeah, whatever. I still can't drag anything though. Oh yeah, right. Uh, target should be what? Oh, draggable button. Yeah, there we go. All right. Surely this would work. No, it does not. Of course, it doesn't. Mouse manager process drag target. It's drag ready can drag. Oh yeah, I didn't really return the. That's set to abstract, but it's not causing an error. How? Because can drag is. I do already have that. Then why isn't it working? I'm sorry, guys. I'm having a lot of trouble with this one. Alright. Drag target. Does that exist at least? Surely that at least exists. Surely. No? Nothing? Larry? Is this process even being called? Oh, process. No, it is getting cold. In target. Item display. Oh, item display. That is eating up the input. Mouse. It says propagate up, but what happens if I set it to ignore? Does it still pick up eat the input? If that's the case, then that's very annoying. What the? Drag target, no. No, it doesn't eat up the... Why does propagate up not lock then? That's... Isn't that weird? Isn't that weird to you guys? I feel like that's pretty weird. I don't know. Whatever. What the fuck? Alright, if not dragging. Just give this to me, man. Oh my god, come on. Non-existent function can drag in H-flow container and inventory display. What do you mean? Oh, right, yeah. Alright. Please just walk already. I'm getting tired, dude. Yes! It works. Thank God. Okay. Um. So I need to like offset it a little bit. Dragging object size by 2. This should center it. No, that. Okay. About that. Bam. 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 Yes. Okay, now the thing is behind all the other UI, so I need to fix that. Yeah. But I can drag it. Okay, I want to make this a little bit more smooth though. It's a little too sharp for my liking. Just round the edge a little bit. Target position vector 2. Okay, put that in brackets. Or I don't parentheses. Yeah, that's what they're called. Uh, lap target position delta times 10. Okay, so that should make this a little bit more smooth. That is extremely smooth, but extremely slow. Hold on. Let 330 is better. Yeah. That's way better. Okay. So yeah, I need to get this thing to the front. Canvas layer. I don't know if that works or not. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. I need to set the it's called layer. Yeah, I need to set the layer a little higher. Where's the ready function? Func ready layer 2. Yes! Look at this. Oh my god. Finally, dude. This is all coming together. This is way too much work, dude. This is way too much work. I don't know if this is worth it, but we've come so far, so might as well get it done with at this point. Right? Okay. So, okay, I want to hide this. That's really annoying. Okay, I need to put this back. Dragging object dot parent reparent to drag target self target. What? Not self target. What am I talking about? And dragging object to now. What the hell? King object. Okay. All right. Interesting. Uh, this is like the cat, the spinny cat meme. Oh man, that's awesome. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm give me a bathroom break, and also I'm gonna go refill my water. My throat is starting to get tired for me talking like this for so long. How long have I been live for? Uh uh hour and almost 30 minutes. Okay. Ah, I have returned with my water. Time to take a sip. Oh yeah, that's good. Hmm, I needed that. I wonder if there's anyone watching on Twitch. And it's this guy again. Or this thing. Why? There's somebody talking about this streamboo.com thing on the chat every single time. What are these? Are these are like clearly bots, right? Hmm. So annoying. I get excited that there's somebody watching for a second, and then it's just this stupid ass bot. Uh. Okay. Anyways. Oh man, I could watch this forever. This low quality image of the log spinning. This is just absolutely incredible. This is so beautiful. Oh man. Okay. Anyways, I need to figure out what the hell's going on. Recurrent item display to. Oh, right, yeah. Obviously, duh. What am I doing? Oh, what in the fuck? Okay, maybe not. Hmm. What happens if I do this? Hmm. Okay. Position to vector to 0. Perhaps that will fix it. Oh, it does. Wonderful. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. Now I just have to be able to like put it down and shit. So I guess so. Drag origin. Drop target. Yeah. I'll see if target is draggable button. Drop target is target. Otherwise, drop target is no. Okay. And then dragging dragging. Okay, so this is a drop. Okay. If drop target isn't now, then check availability. But then I also have to do that. So and drop target that can drop. Draggable button can drop. Drop. Hey. Item display now. Item slot. Bank can drop. Return true. They just all return true for the purpose of testing. I don't have to do anything else. I am running out of breath. Oh my god. I didn't know talking so much required so much effort. I'm not big for this. Holy. This is good though. I'm training my voice. I'm training to be able to talk. This is good. Because I want to be able to talk more. I want to be able to communicate with people very well. So this is good. This uh oh my god. Almost dropped my mic. Almost dropped my mic. Yeah, this type of thing that nobody tells you about streaming or content creation. You just gotta be able to talk and talk and talk. How do people have the energy for this? Anyways, I'm saying anyways and okay so many times. Yeah, too. That I'm saying that a lot. Okay, alright. Anyways, okay. Drop. What was I doing? Right, can't drop. Then just drop it. No, I have to switch it out. No, I have to call the drop function. I'm getting tired. I already said that. What am I saying? I already said that. I have people have the energy for this. I have people have the energy for this. Seriously, I'm being able to stream for less and less time. First stream I did for over 2.5 hours. Last stream was 2 hours. Now I'm tired at 1 hour 30. I'm is this because I'm getting better at streaming, or is it because I'm just losing energy every day? Meh. Dragging object drop. Oh wait, no, not dragging object. No. Drop target. Drop. Right? Ah. Oh my god, I can't even think straight anymore. Function drop void. I sound like a robot right now, probably. I need another sip of water. Alright. I've been rewatching my streams so that I can get clips and stuff, but I sound like 13. I sound like a kid, even though I'm 19. I turned 19 yesterday. It's weird. It's very weird. It's probably just because I'm a Japanese who's trying to laugh as an American. I don't know. What was I doing? Right, drop. Okay. Mouse manager. Drag. Origin. And drag target to drag target. and drag target to mouse manager. Whoops, mouse manager. Mm, drag, was it drop target? No, not that. Was it dragging object? Yes. And then drag target dot reparent it to this self and drag target position to 0. Okay, let's test this out. Hopefully it works, cause I am tired. I've been at this for so long. I did not think this would take this long. Give it to me. Yeah! It works! Oh my god. Thank fucking lord. Okay. Let's cut this to read down too. What the hell? What? Okay, maybe this isn't working, actually. Huh? Wait, what? Oh, panel. Yeah, yeah. What the fuck? Okay, that's better. Okay. Get the tree down. Pick it up. Alright, I need to ignore. Okay. Oh. Oh, really? Oh, really? Okay. Interesting. Yeah, of course. Okay, this is probably a better way to do this, but you know what? Who cares about the efficiency at this point, you know? Okay. No? Still no? Really? Alright, I need to set the position. Come on. Yes! Okay, there we go. Yeah. Alright. It works. This isn't actually changing the order in the code. This is just visually changing the order, so now I have to implement that, which is a task on its own. Oh my god. I want to at least live stream for 2 hours. At least 2 hours. I got this. I got this. Is anybody watching on Twitch? No, of course not. Okay. Alright. Uh, box container. Item slot. Drugs. Target isn't equal to now. Then I can drag. What? Why is that not working? It's manager. If it's drag ready, go true. Dragging is false. Okay, there we go. All right. So now the question is, honestly, I'm just gonna leave this at that. I'm happy with this for now. It doesn't actually need to change the order. I would do that off screen because that's just more fun stuff. What else is there to do? Oh, I finished that. There's no like strike through. Alright, create dialogue UI. Build grasslands map. Items droppable, sortable, stackable. Oh yeah, right, that's true. I need to fix that. So the bug is that after activating, this pop-up still shows up, which is not right. I need to be able to. Wait a minute. What? What is this? I swear I disabled the interaction point. I swear I did that. What? Oh, so that wasn't about. That was just. Really? Okay. And I need to add gravity to entities, which should not be that difficult. Yeah, so okay, so if when I do this, I just kind of like it didn't work. Hold on. I I want to show you guys what happens. Oh, it doesn't work anymore? What? Seriously? Bruh. Oh, maybe from the bottom. Maybe from the bottom or the top. Yeah. See? Now I'm floating. Now I'm just walking on air. Like an inch off the air. That is hilarious. Need to be fixed, though. Alright. Here is slide. Press D0. Alright. If I want to fix this, I need to. There's a lot I need to do. How's the movement direction uses velocity? Which I knew was a bad idea from the start, but I was like, just make it work. I could fix that later. Now later it's here. God damn it. I'm gonna go for another bathroom break. I have returned. Everybody clap up on my arrival. Alright. Alright, so. Oh my god, I wanna end the stream already. 7 more minutes. It's not that big of a deal. Okay. Font var move direction. Vector 3. Yeah, vector 3. 0. Okay, update movement. Velocity, switch that out for move direction and the chaser AI. How do I bring up like, was it P? No. Such, yeah, it was chaser, yeah, that one. Man, shortcuts are lifesavers, dude. Lifesavers. Okay. And then wait. What? Oh, move speed is a really? Okay, I need to move that into the AI or an entity. Speed. Where is update movement? Hey, yes, that one. Ah, velocity is uh, movement, move direction, x times move speed. And velocity y minus equal delta times get gravity. Should that be plus or minus? Speed 5. Yeah. Yeah, get rid of that. Yeah, let's see if I fall. Okay. Yeah, I do fall. Great. Has it been 2 hours yet? No, of course not. But yeah, that's gravity done. And gravity to entities. Finished! Now everything else is just more item thingies. That's nice though. And it just stopped moving, of course. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Well, honestly, I think that's good enough for today. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream right here. Uh, thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Same time, I think. Maybe a little later. Yeah. Bye bye.